हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय अगेन न्यू दिस वीडियो। कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप यू आर ऑल गुड एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गुड। एंड सो टुडे आई हैव कम टू share my some point that who have a fear and who want to speak English language. So what should we do? Which types of step we must follow that we can speak English without any fear, without any hesitation. So let's get into the video. What happened when we are starting the English speaking? So we have a fear and we have a hesitation because what happened, it's a very once in a blue moon, means it's a really question. It's a really question that it's a really thing that we cannot speak the English in front of the public. We know the English language, we know every grammatical rules, but we cannot give speech in publicly. We cannot speak English within 100 and 200 people. So what's the problem that we are facing this problem? So first of all, you will have to analyze that why can I not speak the English? So I analyze that it's a common question, it's a common thing that fear and hesitation. I think we have too much fear, we have a hesitation that how will I give the speech within 100 and 200 people. Why? Because reason is that we are not doing practice, and second thing is that we think that if I will start the English speaking, so which types of mistake will I do? So what will they think about me? This is a dime a dozen. It means that very common thing that we cannot do. Understand? Because when we are start the English speaking, so we think that we always think, and our mind will always go that if I will speak English, so I will do mistake. But my question that why are you thinking like this? Why are you thinking like this? That if I will start the English speaking, so I will make mistake. Yes, everyone make mistake. Don't say that only you are alone. No. When I was start the English speaking, so I also make the mistakes. And now I cannot say that I can speak English with clearly. Now I am also making some mistakes. But at least you will have to start the English speaking. If you will not start the English speaking, so how can you analyze your mistake? You cannot analyze your mistake. So first of all, don't forget, don't think that I am making mistake. At least one day you will have to start. If one day you will have to start, then you will have to do every single day. If you will do every single day process for speaking on yourself, then you can never think, and you will not never think on your mistake. Only you will focus on your speaking. Or if you will speak English continuously, regularly, then your mistake will remove and you cannot focus on your mistake. And one day you will become a good speaker. So that is why I am saying to that it's a dime a dozen question that people have many student have a fear about the English speaking. They have a hesitation that they cannot speak publicly. They cannot speak within 100 and 200 people. So why? That is the main reason, because they are thinking on your mistake. If I will speak anything, then I will make mistakes. So what will they think about me? Don't think what in front of people think about that. What in front of people thinking about you? No. Don't focus on this thing. Only focus on your speaking. So I want to say that who is speaking English, who want to speak English, who want to communication, so you must do this thing. Every single day you have to do practice. Every single day you will have to speak single topic, little bit topic. Not I am saying that you will have to speak big vocabulary, advanced vocabulary. No, you will have to speak small vocabulary. That will help you to improve your English, and one day you will become a fluent speaker. So this is my own experience and my opinion. How is this video? Please tell me in comment box, and see you soon again in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.